Welcome to our presentation. My name is Ryan Vidya Kirana and I'm the leader of this team. Uh, our our team name is Multi Tech, and our project is about online election system. My group is consists of Qin Xian Fu as a system analysis, and Ardiansyah Fahri Pratama as software developer, and and Akitunde Soib as a presenter. All four members are studied at University Utara Malaysia, and each our member is an IT student and takes software engineering as their minor, and also other roles their extra role skills. Me as a project leader has a good interpersonal and communication skill as a member. That's also important for our projects, and organize positive attitude and build a team leadership towards member. I never give up to solve problem whenever I face. As system analyst, Tommy contribute to team efforts, problem solving, and good interpersonal and client handling skills with the ability to manage expectations and explain the technical details. For Fahri, the software developer, she develops software with great skill and required skill of programming codes in order to complete project. And he fully focused on the attention what the requirement as assigned for certain tasks. Our presenter, Atoy, he has the task to update what has to do during the software development between team and member client. He has a good interaction with the members and client for the software development.
This part is for roles and responsibilities, and you have separated into 4 members in a group, which is project leader, system analyst, software developer, and presenter. So this is the chart or matrix table for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. First of all, we have responsibilities, which is role specification, gather requirements, scope estimation, plan critical path, software tools, design phase, meeting with members, meeting with clients, risk management, project costing, budget, set timeline, manage software development, software testing, trial and error, launch project, backup process, and finally is documentation. So project leader has responsibility and decision to assign which person to be a position of it. Gather requirements is responsible by the system analysis and take decision on it, also to update the decision or action for what has gather the requirements from the client. For the scope estimation is project leader to responsible and also system analyst. Plan critical path is also a risk which gonna be responsible by project leader and system analyst. Software developer is only to consult, means that he only to give the feedback and contribute to the decision made by the system analyst and project leader. Software tools is made by software developer, responsible on what software developer he will gonna use, and the project leader will update decision if it is suitable use or not. For the design phase is responsible by the system analyst, and the project leader will take decision on it if the design phase is going to continue or maintain or pause or change. Meeting with member, of course, led by the project leader. So presenter will going to update, will going to inform what has the progression of the project has been done or doing or do. Meeting with clients is responsible by the project leader, accountable, consult, and inform. Because client is most important to interaction or interconnection. System analysts also take part of it. Risk management is responsible by the project leader. It is a role for him, and system analysts will going to feedback and contribute, which decided by the project leader. Project costing is decided by the project leader, of course, and system analysts. They are going to communicate on how much the cost for the project. The budget is going to responsible by project leader and also system analyst. The timeline is responsible by system analyst, accountable consultant, and inform to the project leader, so that the project leader will decide on if the system analyst set the timeline can be accepted or not. For the managed software development is responsible by the system analyst, because software development has many categories: SDLC, Agile, Waterfall, iteration, or anything. So system analysts will going to take part of it, and of course it will take on update with the software developer. Software testing is done by software developer, because software developer is going to do the coding and do the testing. Trial and error is doing by the software developer, whether the coding has an error, and then going to find the solution by it. So system analysts will going to see between the software and hardware how it interaction between each other. So it will going to inform and update for the project stages progression. Launch project is the final project which will going to be launched by the software developer, and before that system analysis will see how the project is accepted to be launched or not, and project leader. So 3 member of it is most important for the launch project before going to live to the client. Pickup process is made by the software developer. Documentation is made by the system analyst and software developer. So presenter will going to inform and we're going to update the decision to the client, which has made by the system analyst and software developer. That's all. Thanks.
Our meeting location is set to be on library, so we can focus on our project. But we can also discuss our project via WhatsApp and or Skype if not is possible to go our location. Our meeting location is set to be on library, so we can focus on our project. But we can also discuss our project via WhatsApp and or Skype if not is possible to go our location.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akintude Toib Ayomide. I'll be talking about our team communication. We have the team collaboration and conflict management, the face-to-face meeting, and we communicate through the phone, our emails, and stuff. The team collaboration and conflict management deals with the collaboration of the team and how we manage our conflict. Everybody have different ideas, viewpoints, and perspective. So to avoid our conflict, we have to collaborate with each other to know what we are doing, and if there is a misunderstanding in our team, it's going to ruin the project. And we have the face-to-face meeting. Stakeholders need information. Requirements will vary by project, but typically focus on scope, schedule, budgets, quality, and risk. So being face to face help us reduce the ambiguity and its worries it brings. So the telephone, electronic mail, and other wireless device we help to communicate like the capacity and to distribute the work to do, and to check on ourselves like, hey, I feel done your stuff, like can you send to me, stuff like that. And it helps us to know who is serious and who is not. Thank you very much.
Our project rules and exception. The our goal is producing the best quality of output within the specified period of this time. So our our goal is to be punctual of our project, to be finished at the right time, and also our producing the output that fit the customer needs. Our team values that our group must conduct is respecting every member's right to deliver their thought, always critical in every problem solving, prioritize the stakeholder satisfaction, and also responsible to own every action they took. Our code of ethics is perfection is not enough. I mean, there's next level to the next perfection. We always to be above in perfection, and we set the rules and exception. Uh, Project manager is the one who set the decision. So the only decision to set is the one is the project manager, not anyone else. And always consult to the project manager if something goes wrong. And also maintain the positive group atmosphere.